Hello and welcome to this lesson. We are factorizing quadratics. And our question will be questions with the coefficient of x squared more than 1. Here is the general term for a quadratic expression, by the way. Okay, let's go. First step, you multiply the coefficient of x squared, which is this, by the constant, which is this. Okay, let's multiply. So 2 times plus 3 will give us plus 6. Now we need two numbers that when we multiply together will give us plus 6. What are the possibilities? Okay, we can have plus 2 multiplied by plus 3. Don't forget the signs are very important. You can watch the other video on normal quadratic expression with coefficient of x being 1, okay? There's another video on coefficient as well if you're not sure of what coefficient is. We can also have 6 times 1. Now, which of these options will give us plus 7? We need our two answers, our two numbers to give us plus 7. Which of these options? Let's check. 2 times 3 is 6, but 2 plus 3 is 5. That's not a good option. We need 7. Let's check this one. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So this second option is the best one for us. So let's go. Now we're going to rewrite this expression using our chosen numbers. Watch. So you have 2x squared instead of this 7x, I'm going to write 6. Well, let's write the plus 6 and 1 here to show that that's what we need. Okay, so we're going to write plus 6x. So we are replacing 7x with 6x and 1. And in algebra, we just write the x plus x and then plus 3 plus 3. Now we're going to mini factorize. We have our mini brackets here. So that we can factorize. Okay. To factorize this mini bracket, what number is common? Okay, 2 is common. We bring it out. X is also common, so we bring the x out as well. Then we can have 2x already outside, so we are left with x on this side. Plus, how many 2's in 6? That will give us 3. And the x is already outside, so that finishes that bracket. Plus, what's common in this bracket? We're going to factorize this mini bracket. There's nothing common, so we make it 1, so that bracket stays the same. Okay. X plus 3. At this stage, you must have the same thing in this bracket and this bracket. So that shows you that you're on the right track. Okay. Now let's tidy up. So we're going to choose the term outside and this sign. That'll be our first bracket. So we're going to have 2 2x plus 1 in one bracket, and then we will choose one of these, x plus 3. Now we have factorized this quadratic expression with the coefficient of x squared more than 1 to this. If you expand this, you will get this answer. There's another video on expanding double brackets. You can watch that to check. Let's try another example. Now with a minus, okay? Same process. You multiply that by that. That'll give us minus 36. Now we need two numbers that when we multiply together will give us minus 36. Okay, we need minus 36. We need two numbers. What are the options? We can have minus 6 and plus 6. We can have plus 12 and minus 3. We can have plus 9 and minus 4. Now we need to check which of this will satisfy our option. So minus 6 times 6 will give us minus 36. But minus 6 plus 6 will give us 0, and we need plus 5. So that's not a good option. We need plus 5. We need our numbers to add up to this. Let's check the second one. Plus 12 times minus 3 will give us minus 36, but will that give us 5? 12 take away 3, that won't give us 5. What about this one? 9 times minus 4 will give us minus 36, and 9 minus 4 will give us plus 5. Okay, that's a better option. That's the best option for us. It satisfies both this number and that number. Okay, let's rewrite the expression. 6x squared plus, we're going to use our 9 plus 9x, and our 4 minus 4x, and then the minus 6 comes down. Now we have our mini brackets in so that we can factorize like this. One number is common here, one number and one letter. Okay, so the highest common factor of 6 and 9 is 3, and the x will come out as well. How many 3s in 6? That'll give us 2. We have an x outside, so we have another x inside, plus 3. Plus 3, 9 divided by 3 will give us 3. And then the minus. Then we factorize. What's the highest common factor of 4 and 6? That'll give us 2. And we're left with 2x. Don't forget, at this stage, we must have the same expression in the brackets. All right. So minus times minus is plus, so that should be plus. Okay, now as you can see, we have the same numbers, the same expressions in both brackets. So we're on the right track. Now let's write out our answer. So we're going to have 3x minus 2. We're going to have 2x plus 3. Now we have factorized this quadratic expression with coefficient of x more than 1. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.